Hello guys, this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel. So I just purchased the GUARDIANGEARS saddlebag last week and the Amazon parcel has just arrived. So we are quickly going to unwrap this one and let's see what we get inside this. So here it is. So this is the packing of the GUARDIANGEARS saddlebag. So this saddlebag is 50 liters saddlebag, and yeah, let's unpack this too. Here comes our saddlebag outside the plastic covering. So what we get here. So it has all the dimensions and specifications of the saddlebag. Yeah, and this is GUARDIANGEARS order with confidence. So yeah, this is something which I have bought with this. This is the contact card. So yeah, if you want, here is the email address and everything. So I got this saddlebag for 3,400 rupees from the Amazon. Same costed on the original website too. So we are firstly going to check if everything is alright, because this is the first time I am unpacking this. Here comes the raincoat, the rain liner of the left side saddlebag. Obviously there will be a rain liner for the right side too. Yeah, here is the rain liner for the right side too. Let's keep it aside. So here is the first compartment. Here are some reflective linings. Here is the main compartment. It's pretty good. Yeah, so open it like this. Opens up like this. So this is the main compartment. And yeah, compartment 1, compartment 2, and you get a bottle holder here. You have some cable ties, laces to keep some stuff, and here is one strap. You get a Velcro lining so that you can, this is so that you can place this over your seat. So yes, this has to be placed this way, and this Velcro lining and this Velcro lining is to be attached this way. So this is the one compartment, that is the another compartment. I mean two bags, and it has a branding over here, GUARDIANGEARS branding over here. This is the reflective lining. This is the another reflective lining, and here is the another one. This is to keep your bag in one place, and here is the another reflective lining. Here is the small compartment so that you can keep your papers and other stuff. So yeah, the product looks good. So we have two rain liners for each side, and they are pretty good. Again, a Velcro strip here to attach it and keep it in one place. So this was the unpacking of the GUARDIANGEARS saddlebag, Mustang saddlebag, and now we are going to quickly see how we can mount it on the motorcycle. So we are placing this over the seat this way, so that the reflective linings should be on the back side. This and this. इथे पण आहे reflective lining, and हे पण reflective. Now it is placed sturdily. This strap will go from here and will be attached here. So same goes for this side. And yeah, here you go. Now this is completely secured.
अरे नाही एवढं काय खालीच नाही गेलं ते सस्पेन्शन
नाही गेलं ना?
नाही.
So now we are going to check how to mount this on the bike which don't have any saddle stay.
अच्छा.
आधी हे लावून घेतलं. So we have looped in through this and then yeah, thing goes here.
फुल्ली यूज करायला लागतं ते वेलक्रोचं.
Here goes this. Perfect है खूब
आराम से बैठे थे तो राइट से लग रहा है.
This way we have unpacked our saddlebags and this way we have checked mounting the saddlebags on the motorcycle. So hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel and do share this video. And if you want to know how the saddlebags perform on the longer ride, then the next video will be about the ride. So stay tuned to the channel, stay subscribed and hit the notification icon so that you can get notified every time I upload the video. Back and forth 1000 kilometers plus ride. So we are going to use this saddlebag extensively. The main purpose of buying this saddlebag was I am going to travel with my pillion. So this will solve my luggage problem. Yeah, if you want to know how these saddlebags perform on the longer rides, then do check the video which will be coming approximately 1 week from now. So yeah, I will meet you in the future vlogs. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.